This is the current director of the Bureau of Corrections. This is the superintendent, and this is me.
Who's this guy?
He's the president of the Philippines.
You gotta be kidding me.
This is the Secretary of Justice.
Several yung kanyang mga sinabi, no?
Ma'am, would you like to react yung una, yung proliferation daw ng drugs during your time as DOJ Secretary?
Kasalanan ko yun? Are they accusing me na ako may kasalanan? And then tingnan nyo na lang, what I can say is that, balikan nyo na lang yung mga ginawa ko rin. Alam nyo naman siguro, for example, in the Bilibid, sino ba ang gumawa ng hakbang at sino ba ang gumawa ng konkretong hakbang para i-address yung mga napapabalita na pamamayagpag ng mga drug lords inside Bilibid. Ilang beses ko na yan sinasabi na nung naka-receive kami noon ng mga intel reports about dun sa mga ginagawa nga ng mga ilang convicts sa Bilibid, I had to convene an interagency meeting, and we met several times, and pinavalidate ko yung mga intel reports na yan na di umano may mga convicts na were still plying their drug trade while inside the penitentiary. So nung na-validate, ang next step, linano namin kung ano ba dapat gawin. May mga options. And then yung option na kung saan meron kaming consensus was gawin nga yung raid na yon. The major raid which happened in December 15 of 2014, where I personally led that major raid. Hindi madali yun. Dahil, dangerous. Kung meron nga mga namatay doon, karga ko yun. But fortunately, the operation went well, very smoothly. And then, nung natuklasan nga namin yung mga ganon ng mga pamumuhay nila sa loob, yung mga luxurious lifestyle and kanilang mga kubol, ay linipat muna namin yung Bilibid 19 to the NBI detention facility. Dahil hindi namin alam kung saan sila ilalagay sa Bilibid. So, naghanap kami ng isang lugar sa Bilibid na kung saan pwede sila talaga ilagay. So, ang tinuro sa akin noon by the then director, si Frank Bucayo, was building 14. So, inumpisahan yung renovation, and then in the meantime, a new Bucor director came in, and that is Director General Rainier Cruz. So nung natapos yung renovation ng Building 14, si DG Cruz na, si Director Rainier Cruz na yung director. So pinalik namin from the NBI detention facility, the Bilibid 19. And the Building 14 used to house the death row convicts. But pinarenovate ko and converted into a more secure facility. Pinalagyan ng mga CCTV and other measures were put in place to ensure na hindi na uli nakakapag-transact. Kasi ang pag-transact nila was through cell phones and other communication gadgets. Hindi naman po totoo na doon mismo sa loob ng Bilibid linuluto ang shabu o kung ano mang klaseng droga. Wala po kaming nahanap na ganun. Halos imposible po yun. Except if lahat magkakakuntsaba from the director up to the lowest ranking employee of the Bucor. But that's not the case. May mga nagluloko dyan, pero hindi naman siguro lahat. Karamihan siguro nagluloko, especially the prison guards. Now, and then they will blame me for the proliferation of drugs. Hindi naman siguro tama yun.
Wow, nice. This place is nicer than some of the social clubs we had in Brooklyn and Queens. Big screen TV. I can't even believe I'm inside of a prison. can't believe it's as hot as hell outside, and the air conditioning is beautiful in here. Amazing stuff right here.
Hey,
And you are? JB.
JB.
How you doing, Bob? What's up? Nice to meet you. Same here.
Guys, I'm Tado. I'm here in Luneta Park, Philippines. On my background is where Jose Rizal was gunned down by the Spaniard. Jose Rizal was our hero. That man is guarding Jose Rizal for life so that Jose Rizal cannot escape. I think that man is Ilocano with guns, long guns. Long time ago, Jose Rizal was also in prison. So let's get to know some prisoner. Hi guys, I'm Tado. On my background is the new Bilibid prison. Let's get to know the prisoner. Let's check it out. This is the first gate in New Bilibid prison. Only the gate guards on duty are authorized to touch the gate. See? I'm not touching the gate. I'm not touching the gate. See? On my background is a Maximum Tennis Club. It's an exclusive club here in Muntinlupa. First, if you want to be a member, you will have to be convicted first. Here in New Bilibid Prison, their favorite color is orange. See? This guy is a member of a basketball team, orange team.
Hinibra ang ko.
Hinebra ang iniinom nyo.
Oo, yung patang hinibra. Huwag sinabasa kayo!
Bawal umistambay dito. We have rules. We are law-abiding citizen here.
Ang pinakamataas, mayroon kaming tinatawag dito na busyo.
Busyo.
O commander sa Ingles. Pag tumatanaw, tumitingin sa kanyang nasasakupan,
Ano yun? Sino maging boss yun? Tataas kamay, ganon? Paano ba yan?
mayroon ding butuhan.
Anong klase nyo, sir?
Robbery with homicide. With homicide.
Robbery. Tado, no money.
No money.
No money. Alright.
Ang mayor naman, ang mayor tumatanaw rin sa ikabubuti ng kanyang samahan.
So dalawa na yung tumatanaw.
Oo. Ang vice mayor, ganun pa rin.
So,
Oo.
tatlo na yung tumatanaw.
Tatlo na.
Anong sunod sa vice mayor?
Tawag na
Jury.
jury.
Sir, ba't bukas zipper mo?
Kumbaga sa Senado, yung tawag mga senador.
So hindi na siya tumatanaw. Bawal magkalat, bawal dumura, bawal magtapon ng chewing gum.
Batas ng bureau tsaka batas ng pangkat.
If they buy chewing gum here, they will swallow it. Yeah, really? Bakit kayo nagja-gym? Pagdating sa riot, solid.
Nung panahon, pwede yun. Pero wala na. Nasa bagong teknolohiya na tayo ngayon.
Anong sunod sa jury?
Chief Banday Pinto.
Chief
Bastonero.
Chief Bantay Pinto, Bastonero.
Sino yung lumalabas na sa nasakupan ng kanyang pangkat, kailangan magpa-in out. Mayroon siyang mga tao rin.
May baston, wala.
May baston yun. Ayon sa bawat pangkat, mayroong magna carta.
Nagnakaw ng toothpaste, ilang palo yun?
5 palo.
Yun yung tinatawag na iba, takal.
Takal.
Here in New Bilibid Prison, they have the alternative learning system where they can learn the system in alternative way. Ano sunod sa Chief Bastonero, Bantay Pinto?
Kulturero.
Ano ba ginagawa sir ng kulturero?
Siyempre, hindi po bilang ng mga tao.
Isa rin tumatanaw sa kanyang nasasakupan.
So, pito na yung tumatanap.
Ang kulturero, mayroong minarya. Siya ang tagalista sa
Tagalista.
record.
So, 8 na yung tumatanaw. For 2,000 pesos, you can tattoo your name in this man. As a sign of our friendship, he tattooed my name on his body. For that, I will give my friend 20 pesos. Yung mga katungkulan ba yan? May sweldo.
Wala naman.
Aspir. Wala bang bantay kusina? In 7-Eleven, the price of C2 Big is 45. Here, you can buy it for only 38 pesos. See? Come on. Go to New Bilibid Prison and buy some C2. Every Saturday in Plaza, they have a movie here. So, magkano yung popcorn yung ganyan? Wow! 10 pesos. Rancho, pay as you order. Popcorn and everything else. Woo! Very refreshing. C2 in New Bilibid Prison. Bye now. Say hi, guys. Hi! People here enjoy their lives. They must enjoy. Rapid hold up. Anong kaso mo? Murder. 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 Ito, anak mo. Hindi mo. Dalaw. Ano-ano ba yung mga pangkat dito?
Maraming. Bumubuo ito sa 12. Sputnik, Komando, GIG, Genuine Ilocano Gang, BNG, Bahala na Gang.
Ay, meron sa amin, BWG. Batang walang galang.
Happy Gulaki, BSL, BRM, BIM, Batang Mindanao. Basta marami.
Napusuan ko BCJ. Kasi marami sa amin sa Tondo for BCJ.
Baga, parang pag-ibig.
Oh, kung napusuan mo, andang pumatay, andang mamatay. Bata si TJ.
Pero nasa puso dapat. Nasa puso. Andang pumatay. Dapat nasa puso. This is the main transport in New Bilibid Prison. They call this pot-pot. This is very elegant design while the passenger is in the front and the driver is on the back pedaling, you know. Oh, see that? They call this air continuous so that the air is continuous flowing. Only here in New Bilibid Prison, Batang City Jail territory. Alright.
So meron siyang grupo ngayon dito, yung Robin Padilla Group Secret Service Stuntman.
Eh paano to? Pinaalam na natin so hindi na to secret. Eh to, God bless you. Samahan din yan.
Hindi, yun ay pasasalamat sa Rosio. Katulad, kausap kita, God bless you. Bali, ang member namin dito, 40. So ang binabago po namin dito, matuto yung mga bata ng martial arts, self-defense, ng libre. Sa larangan ng pelikula, makakita din ng mga magulang nila na pwedeng isabak.
Please don't try this at home. You try this in New Bilibid Prison, Muntinlupa. Kahit may pangkat-pangkat, tropa lahat. Come here and join the club. Yeah.